Hey guys, and welcome to today's FAB in 5 and my very first hair tutorial. Well, it's kind of more like me testing out a tutorial. I'm gonna start doing these because I'm really not that great at hair. I can straighten my hair fine, curl my hair fine with a curling wand, but that's about it. Like actually doing things with my hair, I'm kind of a noob. Like I wanna get better at it, basically is what I'm saying. And I thought, why don't I share this journey with you guys and you guys can kind of learn along with me. So we're going to follow along the viral TikTok ponytail hack, and it's supposed to give you a voluminous ponytail. So I've turned around here so that you guys can see the back of my head. So I'm going to about a third of my hair. It might be close to a half, but yeah, you know what? It's probably a half. You do a ponytail. Oh, she does it loose. So that was my first mistake. See, this is why we're learning together. So tip number one from the beginner of hair over here is do it not completely next to your scalp because you're gonna need that hole to put the hair through. So you're gonna make this hole. You're gonna take your hair through here and pop your ponytail down through it. Okay, right? So we did that, we put it forward. You then take the rest of your hair. Now I might have taken too much on the top one. Maybe that was my problem. This girl looks like she has hair extensions because it's so full. Then through this little hole, you pull this ponytail through, pull it up, and then this first one, tighten. Okay, so the front looks not great. I think we're gonna do it one more time. See, this is why we try things and we learn from them. I'm not loving this. I do think it's because my hair also, it's always kind of been this way. It's a little uneven. It also could be that I didn't save enough hair. So let's try this one more time. So this time, I'm going to take a smaller section. This girl has longer, thicker hair than I do. I think that's also a part of it. Holy smokes, I got like a high ponytail. I don't love this hack for me. I really pulled out way too much hair for my liking in this. And I'm gonna do them a little bit lower this time. This is maybe the worst one yet. Jeez. This is not for me. Full strands. I think the reason this one failed so miserably from the front was because I left the gap in between the scalp and where I placed the elastic too far. So when I like tightened it at the end, there was so much hair that it moved. This is why I need to go on this journey because this is about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so as you can see from that fiasco that just happened, that hack is a no for me. I personally don't think that it worked for my hair. My hair is, and I don't even have layers, but my hair just naturally layers itself. It's totally grows unevenly. This side of my hair has always been way shorter than this side of my hair. It grows slower than this side of my hair. The under layer is short, like it's all mismatched. And so I think if I had like fuller, if I put like extensions in, it maybe would give that kind of effect where it would be fuller. I think that the idea is great. Don't think that it necessarily didn't work because it's like a fail of a hack. I just think that it's personally not suited for my hair, I guess. I will continue to test it, and if I figure it out, then I'm going to let you guys know because I just embarrassed myself. If you have any tips or tricks, let me know down below. If you can see what I'm doing wrong, let me know down below. I would love that because I genuinely am doing this not only to like hopefully teach you guys, you know, if you're kind of failing at these certain tutorials, to what did I learn through the process to make it work. It's not only about that, but it's also like literally you guys can watch me learn on this hair journey and maybe help me out too. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.